What are two totally normal things that became really weird if you do them back to back? What are two totally normal thing that became really weird if you do them back to back? I'm not really sure what exactly is this question. Two totally normal thing is that became really weird if you do them back to back could be something like eating a breakfast and brushing your teeth. Eating a breakfast is a typically morning routine, and brushing your teeth is a part of maintaining good oral hygiene. However, doing them directly one after another might feel odd because the taste of toothpaste can often clash with flavor of breakfast food, leading them to strange nay, sensory experience. Okay, yeah. So basically, they say that ki if you do kind of like a things back to back, like basically like आप ब्रश करने के बाद फिर से एक बार ब्रश करोगे, would you do that? No, it's became weird. ब्रेकफास्ट करने के बाद फिर आप एक बार ब्रेकफास्ट करोगे तो क्या ये वियर्ड माना जाएगा? Not properly, yeah. Like if I like breakfast, then I would do again breakfast. Like basically चलो मान लेते कि my mother makes me kind of like a something like a dosa, so I would eat one dosa, two dosa, three dosa, then suddenly I like the dosa, so I ate another dosa. So basically is this thing I ate breakfast four times, so is it weird? Not properly, but yeah, brushing your teeth back to back would be kind of like a something really weird maybe. Yeah, at this moment, yes, probably. Next question.